Hi, this is Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, marong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa PSA kung paano ba tayo mag-set ng appointment sa kanilang website. May mga nagtatanong kung kailangan ba talaga tayo mag-set ng appointment bago tayo pumunta sa kanilang branch para kumuha ng mga certification gaya ng birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate, and SENOMAR. So kailangan guys mag-set tayo ng appointment muna bago tayo pumunta sa kanila. Pero paano ba tayo mag-set ng appointment via online? Ituturo ko sa inyo guys step by step para hindi na kayo mahirapan pagdating nyo dun sa kanilang branch at hindi rin masayang yung time ninyo na pumunta dun sa kanila. Para mapag-set tayo ng appointment, mag-open po kayo ng browser, cellphone o computer yung gamit ninyo, then i-type ninyo appointment.psa.gov.ph, then enter. Dito tayo mag-set ng appointment guys bago tayo pumunta sa PSA para kumuha ng mga certification. Then click natin to, yung Civil Registration Service Appointment System. Welcome to the PSA Online Appointment System. Here the step in setting an appointment with PSA. So ito yung mga step nila guys. Then step 2. Then step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Then step 7. Then basahin natin tong privacy notice nila. Then sa bandang baba, click natin yung I agree. Minors are not allowed to book an appointment. If the requesting party is duly authorized representative, the original copy of the authorization letter and valid ID must be presented. Provide correct details for applicant, authorized representative. So, kailangan guys, kapag mayroon tayong representative na pupunta dun sa PSA na sila yung mag-claim dun sa ating birth certificate, kailangan natin ng original copy ng authorization letter saka yung valid ID. This appointment scheduling system allocates slots on a first come first serve basis. So click natin yung next. Then what is the purpose of your appointment? I-select natin dito guys kung anong purpose natin, bakit tayo mag-set ng appointment. So since tayo guys kukuha tayo ng birth certificate, so i-select natin tong get copies, civil registry documents, and certification. Ito naman para dun sa mga first time job seeker. Kailangan nyo lang dito para ma-avail yung first time job seeker barangay certification or clearance for employment purposes printed in the official letterhead with dry seal. Kailangan original yung dadalhin natin guys and dulay signed by the punong barangay or his authorized officer, then administer of undertaking executive by the job seeker. So ito guys, nakukuha natin ito sa barangay kung saan tayo nakatira para ma-avail natin yung first time job seeker. Then click natin yung next. Please specify the PSA outlet where you want to set an appointment. So, i-select natin dito guys kung saan tayo outlet na mag-set ng appointment. So, since tayo is Manila, so i-select natin NCR. Then, choose an outlet. So, pinakamalapit sa akin dito yung East Avenue. Ito yung babayaran natin. Copy issuance, authentication, annotation of birth, marriage and death certificate, 155 per copy. Yung SENOMAR naman is 210 per copy. Then, basahin natin to guys yung important reminders. Then, click natin yung next. So, i-fill up natin to guys yung first name, middle name, last name, then yung active email address natin. Then, saka yung active mobile number. Then, check natin to yung I agree. Then, click natin yung next. After natin na-fill upan guys, click natin yung next. And OTP verification, we have sent a 6-digit verification code to your registered email address. So, check natin yung ating email. Enter natin tong OTP na natanggap natin. Then, verify. And please enter the certificate you are requesting for. So, sa certificate number 1, so i-select natin guys kung ano yung i-request natin. So, i-select natin yung birth certificate. Then, relationship. Halimbawa, tayo mismo yung kukuha. So, pili natin tong self. Pero kung hindi naman guys, pwede ito spouse, father, mother, son, daughter, grandparent, grandchild, authorized representative. Then, pwede rin tayo mag-request ng ibang certificate. Add another certificate. Ayan, certificate number 2. Halimbawa, gusto natin isabay yung SENOMAR. Then, i-select natin dito kung ano yung relationship natin dun sa i-request natin. Self, spouse, father, and mother. Then, first name, middle name, saka yung last name. So, i-remove natin. Then, click natin yung next. Please select your preferred date and time of appointment. So, ito, first come, first serve basis. So, kung hindi na available yung date, so, pwede kayo maghanap ng ibang date. So, gaya nito, malalaman nyo kung anong available na date, yung naka-highlight na kulay blue. Yung naka-gray na siya, so, hindi na siya pwede ma-select. So, ibig sabihin, puno na po yung schedule. So, ang schedule dito na available, yung Monday, So 26, 27, 28, 29. So halimbawa, i-select natin yung 26. Pero ito guys, yung sinelect kasi natin 26. So walang available na lumabas dito na time. So since walang available na time, siguro puno na po ito. So i-select natin yung 27, yung susunod na araw. And so mayroon available na time, ibig sabihin pwede tayo mag-set ng appointment dito. Malalaman nyo dito guys kung ilan na lang yung available slots. So dito halimbawa dito sa 7 AM, so 257 slots na lang yung natira. Then yung 8 AM, 305. Pwede nyo i-select dyan kung ano yung time na available kayo. Halimbawa, i-select natin 9 AM. Then, click natin yung next. Please review the details of your appointment. Keep in mind that this appointment is non-transferable. So, i-review natin guys ito. Pero kung may mali po kayo dun sa information na na-enter ninyo, i-click nyo lang tong back para mabalikan ninyo at makorek po ninyo. So, since tama naman yung mga nilagay natin dito, click natin yung confirm. Appointment confirmed. You have successfully booked an appointment in East Avenue on Tuesday, February 27, 2024 at 9 AM. Please monitor your email account regularly for any announcement regarding your appointment. Click natin yung next. So ito yung civil registration service appointment slip natin. Kailangan nating screenshot to or i-print natin. So depende sa inyo kung ano yung mas prepared ninyo. So pwede naman i-screenshot, so ipapakita nyo lang yung copy sa branch ng PSA. Then magdala kayo ng valid ID. Mas maganda guys, 2 valid ID yung dadalhin natin. Then kailangan natin i-download to, yung download the health declaration form. Kasi kailangan natin dalhin din yan. Then dito sa form, yung birth certificate. Halimbawa birth certificate yung request natin, so i-download din natin to. Then print appointment form. So ito yung kailangan natin na fill upan. Pagpunta natin doon. Then yung birth certificate form. Pero ito guys, yung civil registration service appointment slip. So, pwede naman digital. So, ibig sabihin, pwede naman screenshot na ipapakita lang natin doon. Then, yung mga form na pinapadownload dito, pwede naman tayo manghingi doon sa kanila, sa kanilang branch. Kung hindi natin kayang ma-print out. Then, punta tayo sa ating email. Meron tayong natanggap na appointment confirmation. Then, nakatats na rin dito yung civil registration service appointment slip. So, advice ko sa inyo guys, mas maganda, mas maaga kayo dun sa time ng appointment ninyo para hindi po kayo malate dun sa time ng appointment ninyo. Ayun guys, ganoon na yung pag-set ng appointment via online sa PSA. Para dun sa gustong mag-walk-in, para kumuha ng mga certification gaya ng birth certificate, marriage certificate, CENUMAR, and death certificate. I hope na nakatulong yung ating video tutorial at sana nasundan ninyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys, pwede nyo comment sa ating comment section below para masagot natin. Kung bago lang po kayo sa ating channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo lagi kung mayroon tayong bagong tutorial na in-upload sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po and God bless. See you in the next video.